In this Python Customtkinter tutorial, we will create a click counter application. You might not have developed a desktop application using the Customtkinter module before. On my YouTube channel, I have a detailed playlist explaining the Customtkinter module from start to finish. The link to the playlist is included in the video description. Now let's create the project from scratch together. First, I will set up a virtual environment. I will develop the project inside this virtual environment. Using a virtual environment helps eliminate many potential errors. I need to install the Customtkinter module in the virtual environment. Before that, I need to activate the virtual environment. This ensures that all commands run within the virtual environment. Next, I will install the Customtkinter module. I will create a Python file within the virtual environment. Then I will import the Customtkinter module into this file. I will set the appearance and theme of the application. The application's title and window size will also be configured. To prevent application from closing immediately, I will use the main function. First, I create an empty window. I added a label widget to the window. You can customize the label font as you wish. Then I added a button to the window. I want the counter to increment each time the button is clicked. For this, I will define a function. The function will be called every time the button is clicked. The command keyword will help me link the function to the button. Now the counter increases each time I press the button. I have added the link to the Customtkinter playlist in the video description. To learn more about Customtkinter, follow the playlist.